Yo. All right, real quick, I want to talk about something. And honestly, for me, it's like loose trucks or tight trucks for skating. Like a lot of stuff on Harleys, you know, it's personal preference. There's not a right way or a wrong way. Maybe some things there's a wrong way to do, but like, you know, realistically, when you're setting up the way you like to pop your suspension, or how you like your clutch lever, or how you like your drop sweep on your bars, all these things are just, you know, loose trucks versus tight trucks to me. Not worth arguing over. But there are some benefits of this flatter style bar in comparison to other bars that I've tried. And this is just some reasons why I personally like the flatter style, but well, you know, still has some drop sweep in the bars. So if you look at these are Speed Kings bars. I forget what their drop sweep is, you know, 2 inches, 3 inches, I don't know, couple. It's less than what I don't like, and it's not too straight because I'm not sure if I like going that straight yet. But these ones are, you know, pretty straight, not a whole lot of drop sweep back. You know, this bike had thrashings on it, which you can see has like a ton of fucking drop sweep on it. And so this is kind of, since I have these bikes here, I was like, well, this is a great example of what's going on, because we have I wish the thrashings were still on there, but the thrashings, which was super deep, when you'd be wheeling on the thrashing, your bars would come in and your elbow would hit your body, you know, and then you'd have to cock your wrist to try to throttle, and it's super uncomfortable. And when you're drifting, you're going full lock, your elbow's coming into your chest, and it's just a pain in the ass. So the best example and the most dramatic change is Maddie's bars. Maddie has these Lucky Days that are, you know, they're damn near straight. There might be 1/4 inch of drop sweep in these things, I don't even know. But that's the way he likes them. But if you look, when he's full cock on his motorcycle, that's funny. So when he's fully torqued out, when he's on the locks, oh fuck, that's some funny shit. Cracking myself up, dude, in the shop by myself. Like a fucking nerd. Alright, but yes, we see how his bars, when they come all the way back, my elbow is right here. So like I can even, it's like straight in line with the bike. You know, there's a solid line from here all the way to my shoulder. So, you know, I can just be straight hanging off this bike, you know, and full confidence. And then when you're drifting, you know, you have a lot to pull on and a lot to push on. You know, if the thrashing bar, or if those other bars were on here, it'd be over here. So when it's full cock, you gotta think it's over here. That's actually a dramatic difference in where your arm is positioned. Like, that's insane. So that's one of the reasons why, you know, some people like a little more drop sweep. Chase has, I think they're Big Al's bars. They're, you know, they're fairly straight with some, you know, type of motorcycle, like, or motocross type drop sweep, not a whole lot. You know, these ones are just super flat. The thrashing ones have way too much drop sweep. Super comfortable bar, but for stunting, drifting, things like that, no thanks. I wasn't a huge fan of it. Everything else I run, obviously thrashing, I think they are, you know, it's a fucking flex to have their parts. Their shit is made so well, and I support their company and who they are as people. They're awesome. But yeah, if you look at Chase's bike, same thing, drop sweep. On this bike, you know, a little more drop sweep, brings the elbow a little bit closer, but still plenty of room to hang off your bike. You know, super crucial. We'll go back to the bagger. So the bagger has built welds, which it's honestly one of the most affordable and my favorite bar. You know, that's super affordable. Has a little more drop sweep than both of those, and when it comes back, you know, it's even closer to my body. You know, but you can still hang off of it. Hopefully someday I'm fucking doing that. But yeah, that's basically my drop sweep, whatever you want to call it. You know, you can get an idea of how these bars are, you know, if you were to set them up. A lot more drop sweep. Look at that. If you put that on top of the bar, look how much further back that is. So yeah, way more comfortable to go flatter. Something you gotta get used to. Definitely feels weird. When Matty rolled his bike in, it felt so fucking weird. Even pushing these from riding that all the time, you know, even getting on that was weird. So yeah, so that's the end of this, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys fucking gave a shit. If you didn't, whatever. If you did like this, smash that like button, comment, subscribe, tell your homies, whatever it is, whatever everybody says, just yeah. But yes, you know, comment, like, subscribe, tell your fucking homies. Go follow all the other channels that we follow. Who gives a shit? We're closing this. You want to close it?
Say what?
You want to close this out?
All right, we're closing this out. We're calling this a session, calling it a night.
Peace out.
Peace out.